So my computer crashed. It's going to happen, especially when I'm trying to run two programs at the same time. So you see now I have this hole, and I was looking for, I'm sure somewhere, I haven't learned this program well enough yet that you can cut that in there, but lots of times you can just lift that out of there. But so this is a cheat. So you can select this clip and hit shift, click, and then just shift these over. But just be careful of any sort of black holes you have in your piece. If you edit kind of from left to right, so from beginning to end as is, which is kind of closer to non-linear, to linear editing, then you shouldn't have a problem. But when you're doing what I'm doing and adding things post hoc, then you might have some problems. So in order to view if you have any of these, black holes, or if you want to expand this, because this is really not going to be much longer than this, if we're going to add some stuff at the end, you'll want to, you can make your timeline bigger or smaller. I'm not going to make it too big. Okay, you can use this little, but that can get a little too much for me. Just kind of a happy medium between those two. Okay, so let's add this text here. And so we have this color. I'm going to double click it so I can see it here. And let's add this. So let's add, go to video and choose text basic. Gosh, there are so many gnats in my apartment. So go down to text simple. And so you can see right here, it's going to automatically do a time code. That's old film style. So what do we want on our text? We want to have coming soon. Coming soon. All right, so this is the font. I'm going to center it by hitting middle. You can change the fonts. Use DIN condensed. I like that font. So, of course, it's local fill date. So you adjust your text there. Okay. So yeah, you don't want to add these little things in here. This is if you worry about overlay, because they'll help it see against actual video. But right now this is black text. This is fine. You can adjust this size as well and move it. Use this centering to move it. You can see this is the center, and so it's not going to do anything if I hit it here. So anyway, so that's your clip. So then you'll need to repeat that. Then you'll repeat it. So let's go back to our playlist. And where we want to add this, we want to add this, a new film, between glowing light and scenic one. So between glowing light and scenic one. So this one right here. So double click it. And then we want to add this to, so I'm gonna adjust how long this is. It's 4 frames. 3 seconds. See what I'm doing here? I'm hitting out point O. So now it's 3 seconds, so then I won't have that problem. Then I'll need to add that. So overwrite, actually we don't want to overwrite. We don't want to lift it. We don't do a ripple delete. We don't want to append it to the current track because that's going to send it to the end. And then we'll go to paste. Just going to paste that track. I don't know what it did here. I think oh my, that did not work. Undo that. What just happened? Oh,